successful digital nomad business that you can do from anywhere in the world, like a sandy beach or the Maldives, Ecuador, or the Canary Islands. From anywhere, I recommend for you to diversify your portfolio, and it is the number one key factor that will lead you to success. What does it mean? It means that if you already know, I am, for example, a forex trader, but I realize that not every time is a perfect time to trade, because there will be crisis situations. There will be any kind of situations where you will make negative amount of money, not positive. And of course, most of the time you will make money, but you can't predict how the world will react to certain situations like the corona or the war between Ukraine and Russia. And so you have to diversify. For example, I realized that I have to create a YouTube channel. So I started trading, then I created a YouTube channel where I share my knowledge and my challenges and my travels on a different platform that is entirely different than trading itself. Then I started to code robots, and I decided to open a Fiverr account and actually started to accept projects, and I have successfully coded more than 100 EAs on Fiverr, and that gave me so much experience in coding robots and in how to treat clients from all over the world, that it actually gave me more knowledge than any kind of university. And I actually started to make money and started to have another income source from there. Then I started to code insanely more complicated robots, and I started to try to sell them. That was the next part. That's why I opened my own shop and I coded my own website. That is a really important factor too. And so you have opportunities in every field, and I want you to take those opportunities and to start smaller businesses inside your genre, your niche, and this is the way you can actually maintain your digital nomad status, because sometimes I lost one or two of my digital nomad income sources, but I always had trading or YouTube or coding or one of the elements of my income sources. It's really important, so let's think about it. Ciao.